If you're an outdoor enthusiast, you must have struggled with the lack of hot water during outdoor trips. Now, this portable gas water heater can meet all your hot water needs in the great outdoors. We've developed 2 models of portable outdoor gas water heaters to fit different usage needs. If you pursue the ultimate constant temperature experience, you can choose this 10 kilowatt 6L constant temperature model. With its maximum power, this model can heat cold water up to 50 to 55 degrees Celsius in one go, ensuring a steady hot water temperature for you even in any extreme weather conditions. If you value cost effectiveness and basic functions more, you can opt for this 6 kilowatt 3L flue model. At maximum power, this model can steadily raise the temperature of cold water by 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. The unit also comes with a storage bag that's easy to carry over the shoulder. The snap and zipper design of the storage bag makes it more secure. After taking the heater out, the storage bag can be turned into a 40-liter water bucket. The heater itself has a built-in shower head and water pump for easy storage. After taking out the shower head and water pump, put the pump in the bucket for later use. Our heater is compatible with 4 types of gas cylinders: high-altitude gas cartridges, propane cylinders, liquefied petroleum gas cylinders, and camping stove gas canisters. We provide a standard high-altitude gas cartridge adapter and pressure regulator with the heater. For propane cylinders, you just need to connect the pressure regulator directly. For high-altitude gas cartridges, you must first connect the standard adapter to the pressure regulator, then connect to the gas cartridge. For camping stove gas canisters, you need the pressure regulator and an optional adapter. For liquefied petroleum gas cylinders, you need to use a liquefied gas hose. Next, let's take a look at the actual operation of connecting the gas cylinder. This is the pressure regulator we provide. Connect the pressure regulator to the gas cylinder and press gently to complete the installation. Then there's the high-altitude gas cartridge. Be sure to connect the pressure regulator to the dedicated adapter first, then connect to the high-altitude gas cartridge, and finally to the heater. For camping stove gas canisters, the optional adapter is required. Be sure to connect the adapter to the pressure regulator first, then to the gas cylinder. Align the black protruding part with the buckle. Press and twist, and it's done. Next is the installation of the liquefied petroleum gas cylinder. Connect the liquefied gas hose to the pressure regulator. Then connect the pressure regulator to the portable outdoor gas water heater. And finally, connect the other end of the liquefied gas hose to the liquefied petroleum gas cylinder. That's complete. The constant temperature model is very easy to operate. Turn it on, set the desired temperature, ignite it, and it will automatically keep the water temperature at the set level. For the flue model, after starting, rotate the knob on the display to control the firepower freely, and the water temperature will change immediately. Long press the start button for 5 seconds to switch to cold water mode, allowing you to switch between hot and cold water anytime, making outdoor water use more convenient. The heater is equipped with a patented starter. Put the machine outside the shower shed. The shower head can control the on and off of the heater. Before storing the heater, you need to drain the water. After disassembling the hoses, lift the shower head and hoses high to let all the water drain out. Then you can store it. Finally, reconnect the disassembled hoses. After draining, the shower head and water pump can be stored in the storage boxes on both sides of the heater, so you don't have to worry about forgetting your equipment. Finally, put the portable outdoor gas water heater into the storage bag. Zip it up, carry the bag on your back, and go directly. From now on, even amidst the surrounding mountains, you can enjoy a relaxing hot bath. After an outdoor feast, you can wash your hands with cold or hot water anytime, bringing you a clean and fresh camping experience. Choose SEFFY and bring hot water freedom wherever you want to go.